Hey guys, just a quick video here on how to activate earnings and buy your ad campaign. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that. If you watched my previous video, you'll see how you can actually deposit into the platform. It's pretty simple and straightforward. But once your deposit goes through the necessary confirmations, it'll show up on your dashboard. So let's go ahead and jump into this one. This will be a quick little tutorial. Of course, I want to start off by saying that I am not a financial advisor. Never take anything I say as financial advice. If you decide to jump into anything in the crypto space or the passive income space, please know there is a risk involved. So do your own research and due diligence and only put in what you can afford to lose, guys. Okay? Risk capital only. Also follow me on Telegram. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that little bell icon so you'll get notified straight away whenever I do a brand new video. So in this video, assuming you've made your deposit already, it shows up on your dashboard. What you're going to do is you're going to come over here. You're going to click on Activate Earnings because you have to complete that one-time fee. Depending on what level you're coming in at, it'll be different. For example, level 1 is $1, right? 1 USDT. Level 2 is 7 USDT. Level 3 is 15. Level 7 is where we're coming in. It's 240 USDT. So here what we're going to do is we're going to click on Activate Level 7. And then here it says your price 240. Confirm activation. We're going to click on Yes, I am sure. And it says your level 7 earning activation purchased. And from here I can start clicking. Okay. It says here you can now start earning from clicking level 7 ads. This activation never expires. So I can start clicking right here. But before I do that, I do want to buy an ad campaign myself. So here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to buy ad campaign. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to level 7. And it's 2,400 USDT. Okay. So we're going to click on buy this ad campaign. See here. Let me give me 1 second here as I grab my link. Sorry about that, guys. And you're seeing this on the fly as I do it. So, okay. Okay. 1 second here. Okay. What we'll do here is I'm going to have a couple of different campaigns. This is just one of them. It'll say ad title. Here, you're going to promote our Telegram. Yes, I'm sure. And that's pretty much it. Okay. This says your ad is now live. Complete 12 clicks, 12 click days to finish the campaign. I'm going to do a couple of things. I'm going to promote a couple of different programs using this. And I'm also going to promote YouTube, my YouTube channel. So we'll see how it goes. Again, we're testing this out and seeing what converts, what ads, are most clickable, what people respond to. Again, it's all part of testing. So we'll see how this goes. But best part here is I can come in here and click ads, right? So if I come in here, see. Okay, so this is the rundown here. So daily earning is $270. If I click all these ads, so I got 20 here that I can click. So it says here, you have different ads right here. This is what I'll earn for clicking it. And all I do is click view and earn. Right? Click open ad. Okay, now it opens up on another tab. But the clock over here, as you can see, it's counting down. So I gotta keep this open until the end of this. By the way, if you're promoting something, do not promote your referral link because it'll bring people to a page like this, and this doesn't tell me anything about the program, right? So uh I don't know, we'll see, but I would definitely promote a landing page or a video or something like that. Or again, if you want people to sign up, people don't know what this is because it takes them straight to a referral link. Okay, so it says to confirm and earn, so I'll click this, processing, and boom, good to go, right? I think. Yeah, clicks remaining is 19. I started off at 20. Then I'll come down here and I'll click on the next one, right? And I'll just click all the way through 20 times. It might take me, I don't know if it's a couple of seconds. It might take me 5 minutes, 6 minutes a day. But hey, if I could earn $270 a day doing that, and then once I max out or once I get 2 more campaigns and I maxed out the 3 campaigns I can have in my account, it might be worth, right, the 5, 10, 15 minutes a day and just kind of knock it out. Okay, so boom, I'll hit confirm and earn, processing, boom, down. Now I'm down to 18, right? And that's how it is. Pretty simple. Again, I can scroll through these if I want to, look at what's out here. Maybe I'll do a get healthy one. I don't know. So what's the offer over here? Singular. Looks like a network marketing company, right? A network marketing offer, which is great. That's fine. I'll check this out. If I'm in a hurry, I can always save the ad, but I'll watch it through. But yeah, this is how it goes. Okay. And I'll hit confirm, processing. Right. I can go to $12 per click. Okay. So that's how that works. I think you get the idea. Okay. So yeah, that's how you get your offer in front of like-minded people, right? Highly targeted audience. Because these are people that are interested in passive income, right? So I'll hit confirm. And if there's an ad that really catches my eye and I really want to get information, like I said, I can always save it, come back to it later, right? Social casino. Let's go to here and see what this is about. Okay. So you get the idea, right? So anyway, we're earning, clicking on some ads. And again, in return, we can promote our deal, right? Promote our project or our products, that sort of thing. But it's pretty straightforward. Again, so if you've been in this space for a long time, you probably are familiar with these type of projects. If not, they're pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up. But I'll go ahead and start, continue to click through these ads. I got a couple of more, 15 more, and we'll knock this out. All right, guys, that's pretty much it, guys. As always, follow me on Telegram, subscribe to the channel. Risk capital only, folks. Whenever you get involved with anything that revolves around passive income. And I will catch you on the next one. Peace.